On number, I think it was 51, this is the one with the candy, and it asks you to come up with the scatter plot for it. So just a reminder, to do that, you push second y equals. You probably have it still on residual from what we did in class the other day. You want it, if you want a scatter plot, to just have your x values in L1 and your y values in L2. So scatter plot, L1 and L2. Once you have that set, sometimes that's weird, I'm gonna hit zoom 9, there's my scatter plot that you could sketch. If you're wanting to add the linear regression to it, the line to it, when you go to calculate your linear regression of a plus bx, make sure you are telling it to store it and graph it at the same time. So to do that, you push vars, you want a y variable, we're putting in a function, and we're putting it in L1, or sorry, y1. So it'll still calculate the equation like it always does, but if you would push regular y1, this is the regression equation stored for you, so you don't have to retype it. And if you zoom 9, it automatically throws that onto your scatter plot. So that's what I was looking for a sketch on parts A and B. And then part C asks why it's called a least squared regression line. And remember, we talked about this distance is the residual, but if you add all these residuals, you get 0. So you have to square the residuals and then add them up. Whatever makes that sum as small as possible, that's what is dictating this line. So that's why it's the least squares regression line.